Okay, well here it is, all finished and mounted. I don't have it painted yet, but as you can see, I've got it mounted to my existing racks, and I got a 1/4 inch bolt going through on 4 sides, and looks pretty good. So let's take a look at it from the top. And here's the top. And ready to rock and roll except for the paint. And you can see it's bolted securely, so it should work out fine. So there's the finished project. Hey, Toolman here with the finished project. Here's the rack bolted to the roof racks, and you can see it holds me, so it should hold all your gear too. So hope you have fun building the project. Tune in again.